Hey guys, take a look at this dash cam that I have here in my car. It's pretty small. You see here that I have two cables. One connects to power and the other one I connect to the rear camera. And I have the LCD display here with all the information. As you can see, there's the date and time. Also the symbol for 4K resolution is recording 4K in this camera and full HD resolution in the rear camera. There's also a microphone, okay? And the LCD display just go off after some time. And you see here the module for the GPS, and I still can see the image here on my cell phone, right? And the cell phone have all the information. So basically I can see live image from the front camera in the rear camera, and I can play back. When I click here on files, it stops recording and I can see the image from the camera, right? There's an SD card that comes with the camera already, so you can record everything. Let me just bring here the images that I have, play something so you can see it. There we go, it's playing now, and you see the map here. So it's basically working, you see the dot that's moving there. And then I have my location, right? And here I see the speed and also the location here on the image itself. So it works pretty fine, have all the information that you need here in the map, right? So it works pretty fine. That's a good camera, and you can get yours on Amazon. I got mine there, right? So it's a pretty small camera, pretty good, works pretty fine, and I highly recommend it.